Hi, I'm Karen. I'm an internal audit professional and I design simple data tracking and dashboard systems using Google Workspace and automation tools. In our audit process, we initially relied heavily on hard copy documents, even when files were organized. Retrieving information was still inefficient. We then moved to digitization by scanning documents, but even with digital files, searching and tracking specific records remained time consuming. Because of this, I designed a simple system called A-Cloud, short for Audit Cloud, a centralized platform to make document tracking more structured, searchable, and accessible. This system is hosted on Google Sites and integrated with Google Drive. Access is restricted to authorized users only, ensuring the confidentiality of audit records. It allows users to log incoming and outgoing documents using structured data fields, making it easier to search records based on specific criteria instead of manually going through files. Through the dashboard, you can also view summaries and monitor document movement in real time. I also incorporated automation using AppScript to streamline encoding and improve workflow efficiency. Coming from an audit background, I ensure that data accuracy is maintained through structured inputs and consistent data formats. We use Google Drive as our cloud storage solution, allowing efficient file management without the need for additional infrastructure. The system also includes training materials and reference documents, providing users with easy access to audit guidelines and resources. So instead of just a tracking tool, eCloud became a centralized platform for audit documents, workflows, and reference materials. Overall, the goal was not just to store data, but to make it structured, accessible, and useful for decision making. This improved document tracking efficiency, reporting visibility, and overall workflow reliability. Thank you.